Good morning, everyone. So, our today's topic is demand forecasting in supply chain. So, in this lecture, we will study about role of demand forecasting or importance of demand forecasting in supply chain management. So, first we need to understand what is demand forecasting. So, as you see, that demand forecasting provides an estimate of the goods and services that customer will purchase in a foreseeable future. So demand forecasting can be defined as the process by which the historical sales data are used to develop an estimate of expected forecast of customers demand. So in near future, how much customer will demand can be decided by an organization through demand forecasting. So demand forecasting and supply chain is uh, process of meeting customers demand. So supply chain and demand forecasting is interlinked, as you see. Now we move on to the main roles of forecasting in demand in supply chain management. So there are three important role. First is pivotal in strategic planning of business. So forecasting is the underlying hypothesis of strategic business activities like expansion planning, budgeting, financial planning, risk assessment, and mitigations. And a critical business assumptions like turnover, profit margin, mergers, cash flow, capital expenditure are also depend on forecasting. So forecasting is one of the important, or you can say a backbone for an organization for all the strategic decision or all the strategic planning, including supply chain. Second is initiating all push process of supply chain. So forecasting is the starting point for all the push process of supply chain like raw material planning, purchasing, inbound logistic, and manufacturing. Better forecasting help in optimizing inventory levels and the capacity utilization of the organization as well. Third main purpose is driving all pull process of supply chain. So forecasting drives all, not only the push processes, all the pull processes of supply chain as well, like order management, packaging, distribution, outbound bound logistic, better forecast. uh, so when you do a better forecasting uh, and utilize better forecasting technique, it can further improve the distribution and logistic and increase the customer satisfaction level in long term. So these are the main role of supply forecasting in supply chain management. Now we come to the importance of forecasting in supply chain management. So when we talk about uh, demand forecasting's importance, so demand forecasting facilitate critical business activities like budgeting, financial planning, sales and marketing, raw material, production, risk management, as we earlier discussed earlier. So uh, further we will discuss uh, the importance of supply chain, uh, demand forecasting in supply chain. So first important is improved supplier relation and purchasing terms. So by doing accurate demand forecasting uh, in supply chain, uh, demand forecasting can drive the raw material planning process with which can facilitate purchase manager to release timely purchase plan to suppliers, and visibility, and such kind of visibility and transparency of raw material demand improve suppliers relation and improve purchase managers to position to negotiate in his favorable terms. Second importance is better capacity utilization and allocation of resources. So on the basis of improved and better demand forecasting, uh, and based on current inventory levels, raw material availability, and the expected customer orders, production can be scheduled effectively. So this leads to improved capacity utilization and proper allocation of manufacturing resource as well. Next importance is optimization of inventory level. So a proper demand forecasting provide a vital information for driving the desired raw material, work in process inventory, finished goods inventory level. So this can reduce the bullwhip effect across the supply chain, leading to optimization of inventory level and reduction in stock out and overstocking situations also. Next important is improved distribution planning and logistic. So apart from small businesses, this is particularly evident in business dealing with multiple distribution networks. So distribution and logistic managers are enabled to balance inventory across the network and negotiate favorable terms with the transporters. So this could happen only with the help of accurate demand forecasting of commodity. Next importance is increased customer service level. So with optimized inventory level and improved distribution channels, customer service metrics like on time delivery, on time full return, this kind of facilities will give customer another level of satisfaction. So this will help in increasing customer service level also. Next importance is better production cycle management. So medium to long term range demand forecasting can provide better visibility for a new product launch or a old product that need to be discontinued. So this drives synchronization of raw material manufacturing and inventory planning to support new product launch, and most importantly reducing the risk of uh, obsolescence of discontinued product as well. Last important is facilitate performance management. Management can set key performance areas and targets for various functions like sales, finance, purchase, manufacturing, logistics, etc. on the base of medium to long term plan derived from a proper demand forecasting process. So overall organizational efficiency and effectiveness can be improved by taking proper demand forecasting measures. So these are the importance of demand forecasting in supply chain management. So we have studied about the demand forecasting role in supply chain management, its key role and the importance. Thank you.